Everyone, today I'm going to be attempting to use this mechanic stethoscope I just got. This is my 1970 Chevy C10 with a 250 inline 6. Yes, it needs work if you could not tell. I did an oil change about last year and it had begun knocking. I've been told it's lifters, I've been told it's a rod knock, and it's bearings. Now, I had it running for a little bit earlier trying to diagnose it myself, but I really want to get this on tape so everybody can see how to do it, I guess the right way, or at least a beginner's way, and you get to see me do it and experience the process firsthand. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so let's start it up. Now, you'll hear a distinct knocking sound. I'm sure you can hear it. So I'm going to equip my mechanic stethoscope and we're going to start looking into the sound right now. Alright, so I have it on. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check each individual cylinder. So I'm going to start with the cylinder right here. And I'm checking for the bearings. The bearings are at the bottom of the motor, the bottom of the connecting rod. There's two of them. One on the bottom, one on the top. One on the rod cap and one on the actual piston itself, the rod itself. You'll see I'm going to each cylinder. Okay, we'll do that again so you can see. Starting with this one here. And I hear a distinct sound different from the other rods coming right here. It's almost like a jingling sound right here. The other piston sounds smooth. The other rod sounds smooth. I don't hear any bearing sound. When I'm right here, I can hear a distinct jingling sound. Now, I also want to check the lifters as well, so I'll go up here and check each individual lifter. Okay. This is the one that has a problem that I've noticed, and we're going to give it some gas. Alright. Go ahead and shut it off now. So you see what I did there. I went from cylinder to cylinder, and I checked all the lifters a little bit more off camera with the stethoscope to pinpoint this noise. Now, all the lifters sounded pretty good. When we get down to the bearings, however, the bottom of the connecting rod, the back half seem okay. It's when you get to this piston right around here, so about the second piston back right here, right in this area is where I'm hearing a noise. It's a jingling sound. It sounds very similar to what I'm hearing on the outside of the motor, which I'm sure you can hear. It's very audible. So this means now that I'm going to have to pull this motor and put bearings in it. It could be that something is also blocking the passageway to the bearings. That could be a possibility as well, but I will not know until I'm able to pull this motor, and hopefully by then I'll get a video on it and I'll be able to upload it alongside this one so everybody's able to see the aftermath of this and how to properly diagnose this the right way using a mechanic stethoscope. This is my first time using this, so hope you guys all enjoyed this. Hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching.